Hello friends, so today I am solving this problem maximum energy boost from two drinks. So basically we are given two drinks, okay, energy drinks A, which is an array, and there is another energy drink B, which is also an array. And basically the meaning of this drink is basically uh, these are the per hour the energy units. Okay, if we drink, let's say on R0, if we drink one energy drink, then it will give the energy 1. In second hour it will give energy 3. In third hour it will give energy 1. And similarly for energy drink B as well. And what we have to do is basically we have to drink these energy drinks in such a way that we maximize uh, our energy boost. Okay, so let's talk about very plain. It would be like if we drink consecutively here, then we will be able to drink 5, right? 1 plus 3 plus 1, right, in every hour. But there is one more condition, that if we want to switch from one drink to other, let's say I'm drinking very first from drink A, okay, and then on second hour I want to drink this guy. So in that case what will happen, I have to wait 1 hour. Okay, I just cannot directly, let's say in first hour I drink 1, okay, then if I want to drink this 3, I have to wait for 1 hour. Okay, there is a condition of, in case of switching we have to put a gap of 1 hour where we cannot consume anything. So now it depends whether should we drink in a single drink, then also might be the maximum answer, or we should drink from the other way, or we can have to drink alternative. There could multiple cases, right? We don't know. So for that reason we have to solve this problem so that it will maximize the number of hours, the drinks in a given number of hours. So hours are like whatever the size of this array, any one of array, both of them are of same size. So in this case 3 hours would be the case, and in 3 hours what would be the maximum energy boost. So let's explain more on a diagrammatically. So as you can say, the n would be 3, basically the number of hours. Number of hours would be the size of this. So there are 3 hours, right? So we have to maximize. Let's say we first drink this guy in first hour. So energy boost would be 1, okay, in first hour, let's say 1 hour. Okay, so in 1 hour we have consumed, let's say we are starting with energy drink this guy, so first we will drink 1. Now in next hour, if we keep continue here only, then in next hour we would be drink 3, and then in next hour we would be drink plus 1. Okay, so one possibility is to drink consume all the drinks from this type, first type only, so then it would be giving us 5. Now we don't know, we just cannot go in a grid way. Okay, so 1 hour, 2 hour and 3 hour. So one possibility is this solution, that in second hour we drink this, first hour we drink very first guy, and in third hour we can drink the last one. Okay, this is one of the possibility. There could be another possibility, like we are consuming in first hour, first we are consuming this one. Okay, so we would be add the energy boost as 1. Now we can go to second hour from here, right? We are not bound to only drink from the same type, but in case of switching type, if we are changing the type of drink, then we have to wait for 1 hour. So that means second hour would be null here, correct, because we are switching here. After first hour we consume this one energy drink, and in the second hour we have to wait, so there would be no consumption in second hour. Then in third hour we can go for this guy, energy drink 3, the very first one. Okay, so how many total happened? It was 1 from the first hour, 0 from the second hour, and then 3 from the third hour. Okay, so in this case we are getting 4. Okay, so in this case it is 4. Now there could be the another possibility that we are consuming everything from energy drink B only. Okay, so in that case what will happen? It would be consecutively for all 3 hours. So if we are consuming same drink, then we don't have to pause for any hour. So it would be 3 plus 1 plus 1, right? So again it is becoming 5. Now guys, not only these combinations, there could be mix at any time, right? There could be a possibility that we drink 2 from here and then we switch to here. So think about that situation. So there is a no greedy approach here. That is why we will first think in a recursive way, then we will do the memoization approach. So let me tell you how we will do the recursive approach for this. So guys, what we can do is, like, let's say for drink A, let's say I am calling you D1. Okay, drink A D1 and drink 2 is the D2. Okay, then I am taking D1 as type 0. Okay, and D2 as type 1, suppose. Okay, so let's say we have a type integer here like this type. Okay, so because we are taking D1 as first, so type would be passed as 0. Okay, D1 D2 and the n would be the hour. So our 0 1 2 like that over will be increased. Now let's say this is our function. Now we have to write a recursive approach for this. So first thing is, let's say if hour is greater than or equal to the length of D1 or D2, both are same, right? So if hour is greater than or equal to length of D1, let's say D1 dot length, in that case what will happen? Because we are going beyond the boundaries, right? So in that case we have to return 0 directly, correct? So if this is the case, if it is greater than or equal to length, we will return directly or return 0. Okay, otherwise what will happen, if it is less than length, then we are calling in this way. So we have two possibility. Either we are keep on continuing from the same array. Okay, we are picking the drinks from the same array. That means it would be drink boost. So whatever it is at cur r, so we can, this drink boost would be D1 at cur. Okay, so D1 at cur hours, you can say. D1 at cur hour would be our boost. So that I have taken here. Okay, now see here that drink boost plus, I am calling this function same again solve function, that drink 1, drink 2 and cur hour plus 1, because we are not switching the type of cold drink, energy drink. So in that case we are just sequentially increasing our R. Okay, and drink type is the still same. Okay, but suppose we are changing the type, means we are changing the drink from array A to D1 to D2. In that case what will happen? Drink boost anyway will become, right, whatever we started. So cur R. Now see here we are keeping drink 1, drink 2, but we are making cur R equal to cur R plus 2, because 1 hour would be cooling period, means in that period you cannot consume anything. Okay, and here I am changing the type. So I am doing 1 minus drink type. So initially we started with 0, right? So if we change it to 1 minus 0, this will become 1, right? So type would be automatically changed to 1. So this would be my recursive approach. Okay, now in this recursive approach itself, if we do the memoization, basically if we pass a 2D array which will be of the size of the array D1 and 2 size, because we have the 2 type of cold drink. So D1 dot length of 2. Then we can do the memoization. So let me explain this in my code. See here, what I am doing is, initially we are here, this is the drink 1, this is the drink 2, this is current R. Okay, the one which we will start is with the 0, and this is the type. So first drink would be of type 0 and second would be of type 1. Okay, and this is our DP array. Okay, so first of all we are checking here that if cur R is greater than or equal to drink 1 dot length, means it is going beyond the length of this array, then we are returning 0. Otherwise here I am checking that if DP at cur R and cur drink type, if this is not equal to -1, that means we would have stored the values at this location. So we are returning it directly. Otherwise, see here what we are doing, we are proceeding further, that for the whatever drink type it is, let's say if it is 0, then drink 1 dot cur R would be the our current value of the drink that consumed in the current R. Otherwise it would be drink 2 dot car based upon the type. So we stored this into this variable. Now we will look for whether we should, so let's say we are not switching the type, means we are keep on continuing with the same energy drink. So in that case, what will happen? Drink boost, whatever we calculated here for the initial one. So drink boost, then we are calling drink 1, drink 2 and car R plus 1 only. Okay. Otherwise, if we are switching the type, in that case, we are again going in the same way. But see here, car R would be car R plus 2. Okay, and here we are changing the drink type to 1 minus car drink type, because car drink type is 0, then 1 minus car drink type is would be giving us 1, and if it was 1, then 1 minus 1 would be give us 0. So automatically it would change the drink type. Okay, and then whatever we calculated, not type switch and type switch, we are getting the maximum of them to the dp of car R and car drink type. Okay, now see here, this is our main function. Here I just created the dp, and then I'm filling the minus 1 initially for all the cells of the dp, and then at value, see here, I have calculated first of all, if we started with the drink A, okay, we can start with any one of them, right? So let's say we are taking starting from drink A, and in that case I am passing 0 as the drink type for it, and then we are getting whatever value it is coming in long A. Then I'm resetting all the values of dp, because we are using the same dp here, so I'm resetting everyone to minus 1, and then I'm reusing this dp when we are starting with the energy drink B. So in this case we are starting with drink B, and finally we are returning the whoever is giving maximum value. Okay, so this is our memoization approach. Let me execute the code. Yeah, so I'm trying to submit the code. Yeah, so it is 100% faster. So thank you for watching the video. If you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.